Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with our Rytr for SEO meta descriptions that convert. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the official Rytr website. Click on the sign up button on the home page. Fill in the required information to create your account. Choose a username and a strong password. Confirm your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Rytr account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Create New Project option. Choose the SEO meta description template from the list. Input your target keywords or key phrases in the designated field. Set the tone and style for your meta description. Click on the Generate button to receive suggestions. Review the generated meta descriptions provided by our Rytr. Select the one that best fits your needs. Make any necessary edits to personalize the chosen description. Copy the final version of your meta description. Head to your website or content management system. Paste the meta description into the appropriate SEO field. Save your changes to ensure your new meta description is published. Repeat the process for any additional pages or posts as needed. Continue to experiment with different keywords and styles for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.